Measuring the auto dust boot from Francis Creations for some of my subscribers here. So we have this back plate here that mounts to the bearing blocks. So I will be measuring from the face of this out. So clearance to the back of the spindle is right at about, let's see where my camera is here. I'm gonna go with just shy of 2 1/4. Okay, and then you got right at about 3 1/4 to the, oh, what do you call that? I guess the threaded rod. And then you got right about 4 1/8 inches to this guy, which is totally removable. Let's just take that off right away. So that comes off of there. And I already posted dimensions of the mounting bolts, which are very difficult to see. I can't even see them up in there right now, but you can see this one mounting bolt here. So I have those posted to him already. Maybe I'll throw them in the description of the video. But let's see, what else can I measure? So the width of this, so this is an 80 millimeter spindle. And so I have a width in here between these bars is 4, let's see if I can be steady enough, about 4 3/4. And then my 80 millimeter mount for the alt mill here measures 3 7/8, and I got a 1/4 inch of room on each side, so you'd be clear in there. It's got a good 4 1/4 inches of clearance for a spindle and a spindle mount in here. So the only places that this mounts is right up here. There's a bolt that mounts into the Z plate, and one more here that mounts into the Z plate. Those are the only 2 mounting spots. So as long as you have clearance in between those, you should be good. As far as the depth here, it is from the mounting plate here. So this is on the Z mounting plate from right there. It has about 4 inches of clearance all the way out here. So whatever type of spindle mount you have, you got 4 inches of clearance before it hits this plastic mount here. Let me know what else you need.